very cold and windy up here, and the view is fabulous.
Exactly. It's quite nice actually, you know. Amazing. Cake with milk solids and dash of cinnamon on the top. It's very bouncy and I really like it, man. It's good.
And it's me here having chai.
Right, welcome back everybody. Once again, step away from the sides, let go of the hand.
मस्त व्यू है Atlantic Ocean. Through these beautiful buildings, we finally come to the place where Nelson Mandela gave his speech on independence to South Africa. We stumble upon this garden and then we decide to explore it. And well, it was all worth it.
So bubbles, yes. This is our brut. Brut is producing the same style like champagne, yes sir.
Champagne.
Yes. So, but in South Africa we cannot call it champagne, so we call it Method Cup Classic, MCC. This wine went through a second fermentation inside the bottle for 20 months. So the grapes we used was 70% Chardonnay, 30% Pinot Noir. So you smell the sourdough bread, but if you taste it, green apple, very pronounced. If you like your sushi, this is your go-to wine for that. But if you like a chicken Caesar salad or you're having a celebration at home and you want a liquid breakfast, just a teaspoon of orange juice will give you the original form of a mimosa.
With wine and cheese.
Yes. So normally for us, we do cheese platters, but we don't want to do like the cheese in wine pairing because there are other wine forms that do the cheese in wine pairing. But for this wine, it doesn't pair very well with cheese, especially the white wine green, because it's high in acidity. So you would want something green, like a green salad, a vegetable dish. But with your red wine, you can have more of your Boerenkaas, which is a very salty cheese. It will also mellow out your wine and make it much more softer. Oh, for cake? No, we don't use wine in cake because wine. Well, I'm not aware that we can use wine in cake, but we can use brandy in cake. Yes.
And in meat?
In your meats, the red wine is very good.
Just what will the average quantity?
So normally you can pour, some people pour half a bottle.
Oh, God.
I know.
Yeah.
Yes. You
People
can,
put rum also.
Yes. They put half
People
a
put
bottle
rum.
of rum in their
Yeah.
food.
So
But
basically,
for,
don't need to drink. You can just eat and get high.
so half a bottle or 2 glasses.
Okay.
Yes.
You can try that.
And that's the end of day 5. Stay tuned for day 6 as it's going to be an eventful one.